Stop scrolling. For the next 10 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how this number on your screen ended up in my bank account. The crazy part. It happened while I was sleeping. And I started this whole thing with absolutely nothing. No money, no special skills, no connections. Just an idea and a bit of laziness. You're here because you're tired, right? You're stuck in the hamster wheel, trading your precious time for money. But there's never enough time, and there's definitely never enough money. You feel like you're constantly running but getting nowhere. Every make money online video you watch tells you the same old story. Learn a complex skill like coding, spend thousands of dollars you don't have on a course, or start some high-stress business that demands 80-hour work weeks. Let's be honest, that's the complete opposite of lazy. That's the opposite of smart. It's just a different kind of rat race. You're trading one boss for another, and that new boss is you, working yourself to the bone. That old way is broken. It was designed for a world that no longer exists. We're living in a new era, and the rules of the game have changed. But what if I told you the system has a bug, a beautiful, wonderful loophole? And that loophole is called artificial intelligence. Now, hold on, this isn't what you think. I am not talking about using AI to write slightly better emails for your boss or to become a more efficient employee. No, that's still playing their game. We're not using AI to be a better worker bee. We're using AI to become the queen bee. We're using it to become a digital landlord. Think about what a real estate landlord does. They buy a property once, and then they collect rent month after month, year after year. The property works for them. We're going to do the exact same thing, but in the digital world. You create a simple, valuable digital asset one time, and it pays you over, and over, and over again. This is, without a doubt, the laziest and smartest way to build an income stream I have ever found. You do the work once, and you get paid forever. So, how do we do it? I'm going to walk you through the exact 3-step process I used to get that number you saw earlier. No fluff, no gatekeeping, just the straight facts. Step 1 is all about creating the asset. This is our digital property, and we're going to do it for free. We're going to head over to a free AI tool. There are several out there, like Leonardo AI or Microsoft Designer, that give you free credits to start. Now, here's the key. We don't just ask it for a logo. That's what amateurs do. We give it a precise, powerful command. We are going to command it to generate not 1, not 5, but 50 high-quality, professional, minimalist logo designs for a specific, profitable niche. Let's pick a niche together. How about eco-friendly coffee shops? It's trendy, it's visual, and people in that niche love to buy merch. So, we lines type in a prompt something like this. Generate 50 minimalist logo designs for an eco-friendly coffee shop, using only the colors green, brown, and white, in a clean vector style, with no text. See how specific that is? We're telling the AI exactly what we want, and in return, it's going to spit out dozens of professional-grade designs in seconds. These are designs that a graphic designer might charge hundreds of dollars for, and we just got 50 of them for free, in less time than it takes to brew a cup of coffee. That's our digital real estate portfolio, created in an instant. Now for step 2, uploading and listing our properties. This is where we put our assets to work. We take these 50 brilliant, AI-generated logos and upload them to what's called a print-on-demand website. I'll use Redbubble as an example because it's popular and incredibly easy to use, but there are others like TeePublic or Spreadshirt. The best part, this costs you exactly $0. You heard me. 0. You create a free account, and you start uploading your designs. The platform will then let you place these designs on dozens of different products: mugs, t-shirts, notebooks, phone cases, stickers, you name it. You just drag, drop, and resize. In about an hour, you can have all 50 of your designs listed on 10 different products each. Let's do the math on that. That's 500 individual products, 500 potential income streams that you just created without spending a single penny. You've just built an entire digital store from scratch. Which brings us to step 3, the easiest step of all. Set your price and publish. That's it. You're done. You can now lean back and let the system take over. The print-on-demand platform handles everything. When a customer finds your cool eco coffee mug and buys it, the platform automatically prints the design onto the mug. They handle the packaging, the shipping directly to the customer, and even all the customer service. You don't touch a single product. You don't answer a single email. You are now officially a digital landlord. You've planted your money seeds, and your only job is to watch them grow. So, let's recap the magic formula. 1. AI creates the assets for you. 2. You upload them for free to a print-on-demand site. 3. You earn passive income every time something sells. The total cost to you is $0. This is the power of scale, and it's something that was impossible just a few years ago. Sure, one single design on one t-shirt might only make you a couple of dollars in profit. That doesn't sound life-changing, I know. But remember, we didn't just plant one seed. We planted 500 of them. And we can do it again tomorrow in a different niche. What about minimalist yoga studios? Or vintage sci-fi book covers? The possibilities are endless. This this is from my own account during my first 30 days of doing nothing but this exact lazy method after the initial one-day setup. I went from $0 to $2,370. All passive, all automated. This isn't a one-time trick. It's a repeatable system for building automated income streams. Once the work is done, it's done. The digital assets are out there on the internet, working for you 24/7, making sales while you're at your day job, while you're at the gym, or while you're sound asleep. Now, I need to be real with you. The replay for this limited time method is live right now, but this window of opportunity is closing faster than you think. The digital world moves at lightning speed. Algorithms change. What works perfectly today gets saturated and less effective tomorrow. The people who get in early are the ones who reap the biggest rewards. If you want to stay ahead of the curve, if you want the next lazy AI money loophole before everyone else finds out about it, you know what to do. Click that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. I'm building a community of digital landlords, and you're invited. And I'll see you in the very next video, where we're going to break down how to use another free AI tool to write and publish best-selling ebooks in under 1 hour. You thought this was lazy? You haven't seen anything yet. Thanks for watching, and don't be late for the next one.